Do you find yourself wishing for more time, resources, and assistance to tackle the various tasks involved in running a successful business? Well, the good news is that the advancements in artificial intelligence have brought forth a remarkable array of tools that can revolutionize the way you operate your business. In this video, we'll unveil 10 powerful AI tools that can enhance the efficiency and profitability of your business operations. From streamlining workflows to automating mundane tasks, these tools will empower you to run your business from A to Z with ease. Tool number 1, Runway. Runway is a powerful editing suite that offers a range of tools to help businesses generate engaging social media content. One standout feature is its video editor, which allows users to perform complex tasks with ease. From adding green screen effects to removing unwanted objects from videos, Runway simplifies and streamlines the editing process. It's like having your own online video production studio, transforming your videos into professional quality content. With Runway, you can elevate your videos from ordinary to extraordinary, enhancing your brand's visual appeal and attracting more attention. Tool number 2, Browse AI. Browse AI is a powerful tool that provides real-time updates on your competitors, keeping you informed and one step ahead in the business world. With this tool, you can receive timely notifications when your competitors make significant updates, such as introducing new products or modifying their pricing. Instead of constantly checking back manually, Browse AI sends you email alerts based on your specified keywords and products of interest. Stay on top of your competition effortlessly with this invaluable tool that gives you a competitive edge. Explore the capabilities of Browse AI and unlock new opportunities for your business. Tool number 3, Merlin. Merlin is a free Google Chrome extension that helps users quickly write professional emails in a matter of seconds. With Merlin, you can ask for assistance in crafting email responses or even generating subject lines. This AI tool takes the guesswork out of creating friendly and professional email communications, saving you valuable time. It's like having a virtual assistant that effortlessly types out your emails, allowing you to simply review and send. Tool number 4, Luca. Luca is a game changer for entrepreneurs and business owners who need professional branding without the need for design skills or hiring expensive graphic designers. With Luca, you can generate hundreds of logo versions instantly. If you still can't find the perfect one, the built-in editor allows you to customize and fine-tune the logo to your liking. But Luca doesn't just stop at logos. It provides all the necessary files, including JPEGs and PNGs, and even offers a brand Bible that includes fonts and colors specific to your brand. Additionally, Luca provides a marketing kit with essentials like email signatures and business cards. Tool number 5, Mem. Mem is an advanced note-taking app that automatically organizes your notes based on your contacts and calendar events. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, Mem intelligently categorizes your notes, making it one of the smartest tools in its category. Whether you're a business owner, office worker, or student, Mem can be a lifesaver for staying organized. It's ideal for internal meetings, class lectures, sales pitches, and interviews. Having well-organized notes at your fingertips enables you to recall key details about clients and potential deals, making it easier to close important business transactions. Tool number 6, Copy.ai. Copy.ai is your ultimate solution for generating high-quality and engaging copy for various aspects of your business. This tool acts as your personal copywriter, delivering exceptional content at a fraction of the cost. Whether you struggle with writing due to language barriers or simply lack the time, Copy.ai has got you covered. It can craft compelling social media captions, blog content to attract new customers, persuasive ad copy for effective A/B testing, and even e-commerce copy to entice customers and drive sales. Tool number 7, Midjourney. Midjourney is a Discord bot that utilizes millions of images to create unique and visually appealing images based on your text prompts. By logging into the Discord app and using the bot, you can generate a variety of images for different purposes. The bot provides multiple image options for your prompt and allows you to see creations from other users as well. It's a great tool for businesses as it enables you to access a vast library of images without the need for hiring photographers or studios. You can use Midjourney to generate high-quality product shots, create realistic mock-up images for product visualization, or even develop campaign imagery for your advertising efforts. It offers a cost-effective solution for businesses that want to enhance their visual content without incurring additional expenses. Tool number 8, Spin Rewriter. Spin Rewriter is a time-saving tool designed to help you create unique and quality articles for your business. With its text paraphrasing AI, it can transform a single article into 500 different variations in just 45 seconds. Blog content plays a crucial role in SEO and attracting new visitors to your website. However, writing blog content can be a time-consuming task. Spin Rewriter simplifies the process by providing a quick and automated way to generate multiple versions of an article. It allows you to save time while still ensuring that your content is unique. Remember to add your own personal touch to the articles to maintain originality and avoid any potential SEO concerns. Tool number 9, Beautiful.ai. Beautiful.ai is a powerful presentation tool that helps you create visually stunning slide decks without the need for hiring a designer. With its designer bot, Beautiful.ai guides you through the process of creating a professional presentation. Even if you're unsure where to start, simply provide a detailed description of your presentation, and Beautiful.ai generates a polished deck that matches your style and objectives. It offers a starting point for you to customize and update information as needed. Additionally, Beautiful.ai utilizes AI features to save you time. You can highlight text and receive assistance with editing your wording, and dynamic updates can be made throughout your presentation for data that frequently changes. Tool number 10, Descript. Descript is a powerful tool that revolutionizes video and podcast creation for your online presence. In today's competitive business landscape, creating engaging video content is essential, but it can be expensive and time-consuming. Descript simplifies the process by leveraging AI technology. It automatically edits your videos, generates transcripts, and even edits the text on the screen. Descript can remove filler words, find and add relevant video B-roll based on your content, and enhance your audio with color correction, background replacement, text overlays, and music. It also offers screen recording capabilities, podcast editing features, and the ability to create subtitles and captions. With Descript, you can produce professional quality videos without the need for an entire video team. Thank you for joining us on Official Tech Expert today. We hope you enjoyed our tech-filled adventure and found our videos enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, we're here to be your trusted source of tech expertise, and we're committed to bringing you new and exciting content on a regular basis. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of the latest tech trends, gadget reviews, and helpful tips. We value your feedback, so please share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Is there a specific tech topic you'd like us to explore? Let us know and we'll make it happen. Together, let's continue to embrace the wonders of technology and unlock the possibilities that lie ahead. Stay tuned for more thrilling tech adventures right here on Official Tech Expert. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the world of tech.